Do you remember this?
Check this out. I'm currently working on this. Nililinis ko to kasi medyo may rust eh.
I think nagawa ko na. Let me show you. So what I did, ay gumamit ako ng liha. First is 200, and then next is 800, and then the last one is 2,000. I did it for like, mabot ako ng isang linggo. Ang process na ginawa ko is, liha, then apply tool ko, leave it overnight. Tapos, the next day, or kung kailan ako pwede ulit, liha, and then tool ko, and then overnight, or kailan ulit ako pwede. And the last one, 2,000 liha, tapos cleaning, and then paint. Yung paint na ginamit ko ay yung pen paint, pero nagamit ko ay